cracked asphalt line. Golden light hitting that midnight shine. She's sitting low like she owns the whole damn street. Black as the night, gold lines running sweet. Shake a scoop, breathing, T-tops pulled away. Dunlop white letters screaming, come out and play. I've been waiting years just to feel this alive. One look at her and the years rewind. Oh, my blackbird shaker, fire in the soul. Trans Am heart beating like rock and roll. Kneel right here where the memories burn. Every mile we chased, every twist and turn. She's more than steel, she's freedom on wheels. Gold bird rising on a hood that heals. Blackbird shaker, take me back again to the days when the highway never ends. Got salt in my hair, lines on my face, but when I fire her up, time loses the race. That Pontiac rumble shakes dust from my bones. Old dreams come alive in these cylinder tones. Snowflake wheels spinning stories of smoke. Gills on the fender, yeah, they still freaking cool.